Hello, welcome guys to today's tutorial. I got a very nice haircut for today's tutorial. So right now I want to make a sport poster for a football, let's say a football poster. I think that's a Chelsea club. Let's first of all dive in straight. Let's get our resources. These are the pictures we'll be using for this design. So copy here and then we'll head over to Corel. Yep. Yes. This are action pictures. Action. So let's power click our design. Let's power click this straight away. Power click this and this. You are power clicking this in. We want to make an effect. So from here, we want to make an effect. We just want to achieve this, but we want it to blend very well into the design. So first you go on bitmap, convert to bitmap first. So from bitmap here you come to effects, you come to creative. I think that's creative. Yes, creative. Here you come to vignet or something. One of my students called it vignet one time. So from here I think it's much. You see, you tend to see how it's blend together. Click on OK, then drag it up a bit. I think we're having something much more interesting there. So let's scale our images. Let's scale it. We're going to scale. Meanwhile, for us to remove this effect of these edges, that is, first of all, just click X on a keyboard. That is, it is automatically select the eraser tool, so you can just remove it faster like this. Remove it in this way. Remove it, but don't be careful so that you don't touch the skin. Don't touch the skin. Careful, you don't touch the skin. You take it in this order. You take it like this. So now we'll first of all use this other one. We'll also scale it like that. We'll also scale it. We'll scale it. We'll adjust it. We'll adjust it for. We'll be careful. So that this was what I'm saying. Be careful so that you don't. So right now, you see the arrangement. So this one, I want to make it the bigger. We want to bring it, let it be in a bigger picture. This is it. So now we'll just fade it a bit small using our transparency for it to fit in the background. So right now, just readjust it. So click here, remove the outline, the default outline. Then scale your background. Scale it up a bit, then readjust it. Readjust for it to settle a bit. I think we'll have to power click this also. Click on it, double click inside, and then power click from here. So others will be asking why didn't we did the double exposure, or why didn't we make a shadow down here? But in the long run, you can still make that shadow effect. Drag it down a bit, right click. So as you right click from there, select this. When you select it like this, come to transparency, come here, drag a bit. Let's try to have a transparent effect down there. Then cut it from here, then paste inside the power click. You see something. If you see a reflection, this is the reflection it's having there. Let's also replicate that into this. Come here, drive it down, drive here a bit, Let's make that drive. Then take it up. Let it be under the ball like this. So you see the reflection. You see the reflection, how it comes out. Now, this is it. You see how effortlessly it shows, how it becomes so popping, and then it gives you that vibe. So right now, we'll just write his name. This is Kopama. Kopama. Press enter. I like using Bebas. Bebas is one of my good fonts. Then scale it down. Press Ctrl K to break. Ctrl K breaks it. Let's change this whole text to white. Let's readjust this. Kopama. Yes. So from here, it's not showing that much here. So let's try to give it. No. Undo that. Select it. Then let's give it a shadow. Let's give it a shadow for it to pop out very well. We also give this a shadow. Let's also give this a shadow like this. So from here, shift page up. This shift page up so that it appears that something is up, something is down. Let's give it that vibe in it. Thank you so much, and if you love our tutorial, subscribe for more of these kinds of design. Thank you so much. We'll see you in our next class.